Have you ever wondered why load balancing is such a hot topic in the realm of public clouds? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Imagine you're at a bustling train station. Trains arrive and depart continuously, and the crowd ebbs and flows like the tide. To keep everything running smoothly and prevent any train from being overloaded, there's a system in place to distribute passengers evenly across all trains. This system, in essence, is what we call load balancing. Now, replace the trains with servers and the passengers with internet traffic, and you get the concept of load balancing in public clouds. Load balancing is the process of distributing network traffic across multiple servers to ensure that no single server bears an overwhelming load. It's the unseen hero that ensures your favorite websites and online services run smoothly, without crashing under the weight of heavy traffic. A load balancer lives up to its name by balancing the load of user requests across multiple servers. It acts as a traffic cop, directing client requests across all servers capable of fulfilling those requests in a way that maximizes speed and capacity utilization and ensures no single server is overwhelmed. But why is load balancing so important in public clouds? Well, there are three key reasons. Firstly, it enhances the performance of applications. By efficiently distributing user traffic, load balancing reduces server load, and as a result, users experience faster, disruption-free services. Secondly, load balancing provides fault tolerance. In the event of a server failure, a good load balancer can seamlessly redirect traffic to the remaining operational servers. This way, it ensures uninterrupted service availability. Lastly, load balancing allows for scalability. As traffic to a website or application grows, companies can simply add more servers to the load balancing routine. This way, they can handle increased traffic without overloading any single server. So, in essence, load balancing in public clouds is all about optimizing resource use, maximizing throughput, minimizing response time, and avoiding overload of any single resource. It's the secret sauce that keeps the digital world spinning smoothly, ensuring that you can binge watch your favorite shows, shop online, or work remotely without a hitch. In the vast expanse of public clouds, load balancing is the lighthouse that guides internet traffic, ensuring each user request finds its way to the right server. It's the unsung hero that keeps our digital lives running smoothly. So next time you click on a link or stream a video, spare a thought for the load balancer, working tirelessly behind the scenes to deliver your content quickly and efficiently. It's a bit of an unsung hero, don't you think?